Hi, I wanted to share the recent member success story of Dean. Now, Dean's 37, has 4 kids, a lovely family, and runs a very successful business. But he came to me concerned because he wants to do this $3 million renovation and wants to know what the impact of rising interest rates will be and what his loan repayments will be. He also wanted to know if the business fails, how is he going to fund his lifestyle and all the debt? He also wasn't utilising his super, didn't know if he had enough insurances in place, and was just working so hard that he wanted to reduce the reliance on him in the business. We went into the visualize stage and we explored what was most important to him, and this was family, adventure, creativity, and friendships. However, because he's working so hard in the business and spending so much time in there, that he's not doing any of these things, and it's really weighing on him that he's not being able to spend present time with the family. So what we did to solve is we looked at the $3 million renovation and assessed how much this would be with rising interest costs. Turns out his loan repayments were going to go from 200K to 400K. Now, this would cause significant stress for him in a year, which he didn't want to have. So what we did was we assessed some of his current properties and sold some of his underperforming properties just to reduce some of the strain. To reduce his tax, we then utilised the carry forward super contributions, and this was also beneficial as he had been neglecting his super this whole time. Then our focus was on getting his business succession plan in place so he wouldn't have to work so hard and so he could rely on others in the company. Is less stressed about the mortgage because we dived into that scenario and solved that for him. He's now actually getting some time back because he's started to hire some really good people that he can trust. He's now got improved family time and he's very present at home, and he's very conscious of that with the family, where he makes sure that he doesn't use his phone in front of them. And this has had a huge impact on his life, and I've been able to notice like that weight lifted off his shoulders. So a very happy success story.